Good morning, YouTube. It's Darren from Healthy Living Right. Please forgive my appearance. I threw a cap on. It's early in the morning, still in pajamas. I am making a keto style French toast casserole for my son who's still in the bedroom sleeping. So stick around. This is going to be fun. This is one of my favorite dishes. It's amazing. Haven't made it in a while. I'm going to show you step by step the process, and it is super easy, and you can do it in about 45 minutes. Let's get cooking. You're going to need milk of choice, baking powder, butter, coconut flour, and almond flour, 4 eggs, Redmond's real salt, some ghee, and 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, and a pan to cook this in. Whisk everything together and completely incorporate it. After adding this to a 9x12 pan, I put it in the microwave for roughly 3 minutes. Check on it periodically to make sure you don't overcook. Allow this to cool for roughly 10 minutes before starting on the rest of the ingredients. Here we're using vanilla extract, chopped pecans, sweetener of choice, I use Swerve, and of course the cream cheese. And now I'm going to take the bread and I am going to put it back into the pan I baked it in. I don't worry about cleaning it because everything's going back in. I rustically pull apart the bread instead of cutting it, but that is completely up to you. Here you're going to incorporate the vanilla extract and the sweetener into the cream cheese and incorporate generously. Don't be too concerned with the texture. It's going to be going into the topping as dollops. Here I start to put it onto one layer and I add the remaining layer of bread and continue to add the dollops on. Now to the third and final step, we are creating the custard. Beat together your eggs, add milk of choice, add a little heavy cream, sweetener, and then you are going to incorporate this. Now you're going to add some cinnamon, 1 teaspoon, blend again, and add this over the toast that you have created with the dollops. Final and last step, add some flour. You're going to incorporate the cream and the sweetener with cinnamon. You are creating the cinnamon crumble for the top of the French toast casserole here. So cut this in together and you're going to spread this over the casserole either in dollop form, or if you would like, you can just make it a smooth texture over the top. Here I'm going to sprinkle the pecans all over the casserole, and now it is time to place it in the oven for 45 minutes. Cooking temperatures may vary. I typically like to use my smaller Breville oven instead of cranking up the big one in my house. And there you have it, a beautiful low-carb, keto-style French toast casserole with a crumble on top. It is absolutely satiating and amazing. You can drizzle some yogurt sauce on top also for some final touches. And to be completely honest with you, there will be plenty of leftovers, and this tastes amazing the next day after it has soaked up the juices, even when it's cold. Well, that's it. It's ready, and I am ready to dig in. Remember, this is going to be extremely satiating. This is clean ingredients, and it is quite the treat for the weekend. I will put the ingredients and the macros in the description below. And if you like this, please hit the like and subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Until next time, have a great day.